Hello everyone and welcome to AcadGuild. In this video, we'll see how to work with VLOOKUP with approximate match. Now, what is the difference where it can be utilized? So I'm already working in the file named as VLOOKUP. Okay, in that VLOOKUP, I'm using this sheet named as VLOOKUP Approximate. I have a table here where the first column is sales amount done, the category it belongs, and the commission paid. If you do a sales of $1,000, you'll be getting $20 as commission. And if you do a $7,000 sales, you'll be getting $250 commission. So these are the sales done and there's a commission paid. Now the table is very small, but if I want to get the output here in this particular place, how will I get it? I'll be using a function named as VLOOKUP. So let us go ahead and try to use this VLOOKUP. I'll use equal to VLOOKUP. That's my lookup value, comma. This is my lookup, that is table array. Okay, I need to select here without the column headings, comma. What is the column index number of commission? With respect to the selected table, column index number is 3 for the commission. For category, the column index number is how much? It's 2. Type 3, comma, 0. This is what we have seen in the previous video. So once I press enter, let us see what is the value I'll be getting. When I press enter, I'm getting as not available. Let us verify. 6999 is not present in this table, in this column. If you see, there's no 6999, but it is 7000. The answer is absolutely correct, not available. This number is not available in this column. But you tell me, if a person in the company, he's in the sales company, do you think he'll be doing exactly sales of 7000 USD or exact $2,500? Definitely not. He'll be doing sales depending upon his capability and so on. So if he does a sales of 6999, what do you think how much minimum commission he should be paid? 6999, if you see, if not 250, at least we expect he should get the upper slab, that is how much? $100. So here what I can do is, if I type here 7000, definitely is getting $250, which is absolutely correct. But imagine if a person has done sales of 6500, he's getting no commission. So this is not acceptable in the company. We should have some immediate method, or you can say some other way. So instead of this 0, I'll put a backspace, and here I'll just type as 1. 1 stands for approximate match. Once you press enter, you see if you do a sales of $6,500, you'll be getting commission of $100. Let us verify. 7000 is 250 minimum, but now at least you'll be getting as $100. Let us try to enter $7,500. So you'll be getting how much? You'll be getting $250, which is absolutely correct. So remember here, whatever values we have used, 0 and 1. 0 stands for exact match. You give me the answer, otherwise give me as not available. For 0, that is the exact match. But if you don't use 0 and if you use as one number, it will become as the approximate match. Okay, so 1 stands for approximate, 0 stands for exact. So this is a short video explaining you about how to work with the VLOOKUP with approximate match. Remember, there are 3 rules which you should take care when you're using this VLOOKUP with approximate match. The first rule, lookup value column needs to be numerical. That means the first column or the lookup value column should be numerical values. You cannot have some numbers, or you can say some text and all. So it will be difficult for us to find out. So this should be always a number column. Second thing is, lookup value column should be sorted in ascending order. You see, that's an ascending order sorted. That's a rule here. Lower than the lowest value. Third rule, lower than the lowest value gives not available. If I type here some value, let's say -5, which is hypothetical, no sales can be done negative. But let's see, if I put -5, enter, you'll be getting as not available. Okay, so lower than the lowest value, you'll get as not available. If the lowest value is 20 and if the sales done is how much? Let's say $5. So if I press enter, you'll be getting not available. If you put 20, definitely you'll get $0. $1,000, you'll get $20 commission. So the third and the last rule, which says lower than the lowest value, gives you not available in the data here. What if you type higher than the highest? That means if the highest value is $10,000 and if you put here as $50,000, how much commission do you expect? the commission would be the highest, that is $700. So these are basic approximate rules for VLOOKUP when you're using when you're using 1 here. Now also remember, instead of this 1, if you just remove this, okay, and keep it as blank, nothing there, even if you don't put a comma and press enter, it will be considered as approximate match. That means if you type 6,500, you'll get as $100 commission. So I'm trying to say the fourth parameter is not mandatory if you're going for approximate match. If you're going for exact match, definitely you have to put comma 0, okay, and press enter key. Right. So I hope you have understood how to work with this VLOOKUP with approximate match, and also the basic different rules applied for this VLOOKUP approximate match. That's all for this video. Hey guys, if you like the video, please support us by clicking on the like button and subscribe the channel for further new upcoming videos on Excel. Thank you.
A cat killed. Average is dead.